Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by confirming a few essentials and taking the first actions. First, make sure your carrier supports visual voicemail on your plan. Without it, the iPhone interface won't work. Once done, turn on cellular data or join a stable Wi-Fi network so voicemail can sync. Now open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. If you see Setup Now, follow the prompts to create a voicemail password and record a greeting. This initializes your mailbox. Next, address the common middle causes like network or sync hiccups. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. That resets cellular radios and often restores visual voicemail. If voicemail still shows blank, sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh sync between devices. Make sure the iPhone's date and time are correct. Incorrect time can break server authentication. If issues persist, reset network settings. This clears network caches, but keeps your data intact aside from Wi-Fi passwords. Finish by confirming voicemail access and applying final remedies. If visual voicemail still fails, call your carrier's direct voicemail number to retrieve messages and confirm your mailbox is active. This isolates device versus carrier faults. Check for and install the latest iOS update, since updates often include voicemail fixes. Make sure to reboot after updates. If everything else fails, contact your carrier. Ask them to reset your voicemail provision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.